Understanding Butterfly Twist, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. We'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, butterfly twist. This video aims to clarify its meaning and help you use it confidently in your conversations. Butterfly twist is a phrase that can have different meanings based on the context. Generally, it refers to a sudden or unexpected change in a situation or a person's behavior. It can also literally mean a type of acrobatic move, especially in martial arts or gymnastics, where a person twists in the air like a butterfly. The phrase, butterfly twist, may have originated from the visual imagery of a butterfly's flight, unpredictable and changing direction swiftly. In everyday conversation, it's often used to describe scenarios where there's a quick or surprising change. For example, the plot of the movie had a butterfly twist that left everyone shocked. To better understand, let's see some examples. 1. When she suddenly decided to move abroad, it was a real butterfly twist for her family. 2. The game took a butterfly twist in the final minutes, completely changing the expected outcome. When using this phrase, it's important to ensure the context is clear. It's best suited for situations that involve dramatic, unforeseen changes. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression and should be used to add color and depth to your storytelling or conversations. We hope this video helps you understand and use butterfly twist more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, English is a language rich with phrases and expressions, and mastering them can make your communication more effective and engaging. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.